Hello guys, this is me Ayan here. Today we're going to learn how to create color splash effect. So let's copy our background layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. I'm going to select a dress for the splash effect, and the background layer will be desaturated. So let's grab our quick selection tool and let me zoom in to select a dress. Now you can control the size of brush by pressing bracket keys. So just click and drag throughout a dress, and the Photoshop selects the outline of the image and the dress gets selected. So do it quite slowly. I'm here increasing the speed of the video to save down some time, but you do it a bit slowly. The more accurately or more precisely you do, the more the image gets a natural look. So the video is almost done. It's just the back part that is left. So a bit the final adjustments. Now the dress is selected. Now go to select refine edge in order to refine the edge. That is, we will smooth the selection so that there will be no rough edges around. The edge will be smooth. So now hit OK. So the area got selected. Now press Ctrl I to select the outer area of this image, because we will desaturate right now. Now go to filter, camera raw filter. Okay, now what we will do is that we will desaturate the image all over the down. So as you can see, the selected part is desaturated already. Now let me just show you the before and after of the edit. Just look at the difference. The selected part is desaturated already. Now in order to keep the selection on a temporary basis, I open this color saturation plate so that it keeps the selection. So by clicking here, you get the selection automatically. So this is an easy way to keep the selection without selecting it. So right now press Ctrl I to inverse the selection, or just go to select and inverse, and now go to camera raw filter. Now we will just adjust the color of the dress, because the dress looks a bit the saturation is not that good. I didn't like it. So now after increasing it is appealing. So let's increase the green a bit. It should look green, proper green. And as you can see that the arms are a bit yellow in color. Let me zoom in a bit. So you can see the arms are just yellowish in color. So I don't like it. I just want to change it to green. So go to hue and just drag this yellow until it matches the overall part of the image, that is green. So yeah, this green, I like it. So just hit OK, and as you can see that the green color is applied all over the dress. So just look at it. The outside is desaturated, and the dress is green, and it's just popped up. The color is all popped up. So this is what the color splash is, guys. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to support my channel. We'll be back soon with another video. Thank you.